Hello everyone. In previous video we have started the exercise 1.1 and we have done the question number 1. With the same exercise we will continue with the question number 2. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answer. If Jack's score in 5 successive rounds were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? Solution. Jack's score in 5 successive rounds are 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10. Total marks got by Jack is equal to. We have to find the total marks. That's why we are adding all the marks. 25 plus in bracket minus 5 plus in bracket minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. Now minus 5 and minus 10, both the negative integers are there. So both the negative integers, we will add the integers and sign will be negative. So minus 5 and minus 10 is equal to minus 50. 15 and 10, both the positive integers. So 15 plus 10 is equal to 25. That's why the next step is 25 minus 15 plus 25. Now the 25 plus 25 is equal to 50 and 50 minus 15 is equal to 35. 35 marks are got by Jack in a quiz. Now the question number 3. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. It means the Monday the temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? We have to find the temperature on Tuesday. On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? Solution. On Monday, temperature at Srinagar is equal to minus 5 degrees Celsius. On Tuesday, temperature dropped. So that's why temperature on Tuesday is equal to minus 5 minus 2 degrees Celsius. Both the numbers are negative integers. That's why we will add and sign will be negative. So minus 7 degrees Celsius. On Wednesday, the temperature rose up by 4 degrees Celsius. That's why the temperature on Wednesday is equal to minus 7 degrees Celsius. Previous temperature, it means the temperature on Tuesday minus 7 degrees Celsius plus 4 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 3 degrees Celsius. Temperature on Tuesday and Wednesday was minus 7 degrees Celsius and minus 3 degrees Celsius respectively. Now the question number 4. A plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meters above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above the submarine floating 1200 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? Now the solution of this question is height of a plane above the sea level is equal to 5,000 meters. Floating a submarine below the sea level is equal to 1,200 meters. Now we have to find the vertical distance between the plane and the submarine is equal to 5,000 plus 1,200. That's why the answer is 6,200 meters. The vertical distance between the plane and the submarine is 6,200 meters. Now the next question. Mohan deposit rupees 2,000 in his bank account and withdraw rupees 1,642 from it the next day. If withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. Now solution of this question is deposit amount, total deposit amount by Mohan is equal to rupees 2000 and withdrawal amount is equal to rupees 1642. Now the remaining balance in his account is equal to 2000 minus 1642. One is positive integer, then other is negative integer. So we will subtract the integers and sign will be the greatest number. So 2000 is the greatest, that's why the answer will be positive. After calculating, the answer is rupees 358. The balance in Mohan's account after withdrawal is rupees 358. Now the last question of this slide is Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to the point B. From B, she moves 30 km towards west along the same road. If the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards west? By which integer will you represent her final position from A? The solution of the last question. According to the diagram, according to the number line, Rita moves towards east is represented by a positive integer, but she moves in opposite direction means Rita moves west is represented by negative integers. So distance from A to B is 20 km because the direction east is represented the positive integers. Then the distance from B to C is equal to 30 km. Now while going B to C, she is going in west direction. It means the negative integers. Distance from A to C is equal to 20 minus 30 is equal to minus 10 kilometer because the 30 is greater than 20. That's why the sign will be negative. Rita is at final position. A to C is minus 10 kilometer. Now wait for the next video. Thank you.